This is You Can Change Vegan. Hello, I'm wearing a blue shirt because today we're making these blueberry cookies. The full recipe is in the description. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Now we add the vegan butter or oil and the sugar to a large bowl. Now with electric beaters or a wooden spoon, we're going to mix them together. Mix for a couple of minutes until fluffy and well combined. Next add in the vanilla and the salt. Then mix them through. Now for our hero, the blueberries. Add them to a small bowl. Then heat in 30-second bursts until warm. You could also heat them in a small pot. The blueberries are not only going to give a great flavour, but also a great colour. Just keep stirring them and mashing them until it looks like blueberry jam or jelly. It has a great colour. Add the blueberries into the butter and sugar. Then mix well. Lastly, add the plain flour and baking powder or soda to help the cookies rise. Mix through to form the cookie dough until it forms a bluey purple cookie dough like this. This next part's important. To contrast the blue of our cookie dough, we want to add something white. In this batch, I use vegan white chocolate, but it can sometimes be hard to find depending on where you live. So today I'm adding unsalted peanuts. Stir either the white chocolate or peanuts through the cookie dough. Take spoonfuls of the mixture and place them on a lined baking tray. Flatten into round discs, then decorate with a few extra pieces of white chocolate or peanuts. It should make around 16 cookies. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on if you want them soft or crunchy. Once cooked, remove from the oven and allow to cool fully on the tray. Once cool, you can enjoy. Thank you for watching. Thanks to these people for subscribing, and more recipe ideas are linked here for you.